We are here in the Earth Tower, and we are heading up to floor number 2. So excited. Floor 1 was
floor
awesome.
Down, 7 to go.
That is right, Florian. Didn't mean to cut you off there. Alright, so plant per star bonus. So if you use your plant pets here in the Earth Tower, then you are going to be getting a 3 times star bonus, which is awesome, using it right now. And I'll probably go ahead and have this area as my grind area. These Academy pages are great. You can go ahead and use them. They are the currency for the Academy store. Alright, let's take a look around and see what we can find here. Another Academy page, and we're heading on over. So let me know in the comments how you are doing with the Earth Tower. Have you made it to the top of it already? What do you think of these Academy towers? Alright. I'm having a blast with them. They remind me a lot of the Dark Tower with Mira, and I absolutely loved that game mode. It was so fun. Alright, let's come on up over here. We'll get the other page, and then we'll get into our first battle of the floor with this Saplet. Alright, down we come. We are going over 6th grade math here. And so we're just kind of covering the 6th grade math skills. And let's start out with some hot snow. I think that'll work on most of these guys. Does y equal 68 satisfy the inequality? Y is greater than 67. So this inequality, if you don't know the word, that's greater than, this is less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, or equal. So make sure you're using those lightning bolts if you need it. 68 is greater than 67, so yes, if y equals 68, then that does satisfy the inequality. Alright, some Blue Fury Hot Snow does a good job right there. And I think it might be a couple more attacks before this is over with. Hopefully we get this first Saplet though. Forest Hurricane, that lands for 1907 points of damage. So let's do a Supernova here. Okay, you have C cards and your friend has 5 fewer cards than you. What expression shows how many cards your friend has? Well, I have C cards, my friend has 5 fewer, so C minus 5 equals my friend's cards. Now evaluate your expression if C equals 20. Well, 20 minus 5, that's going to be 15. So 15 would be our answer. Woohoo! Once we establish the equation, then we just kind of make the numbers, plug the numbers in. Alright, looks like 2 more hits. I don't think, Aquastar is still there. That'll help us build up some mana though as we move further up. 1889 points of damage, so Falling Star Smash here. Alright, so what is the missing exponent? So 0.5 times what equals 0.125. So let's go ahead and clear this out. 0.5 times 0.5 equals 0.25. So 0.25 times 0.5 equals 0.125. So that would be power of 3 would get us to there. Woohoo! And goodbye, Saplets. Now Aquastar will come on up here and we'll get one more hit in. Let's see what he does to us. Torrent is coming our way, 2477. Not bad, buddy. And then Falling Star Smash. Which multiplication property does this sentence show? Okay, let's go ahead and open this up so we can go over them. So commutative means that the number order doesn't matter. So 5 times 4 and 4 times 5, they equal the same. Associative means that if you multiply 3 times 4 first, if all of the numbers are the same, or you multiply 4 times 5 first, it's still the same result. So both of them will equal to 60. Identity element is if you're multiplying by 1, then you're going to get the same number. Zero element means if you're multiplying by 0, you're going to get 0. Distributive means that if you take 4 times 5 plus 7, 4 times 5 plus 4 times 7, you still get the same result, which would be, what, 48? Okay, so those are the different things that we're looking for as far as the multiplication property. If you can identify that, then it's easier for you to go ahead and do this. I believe this is the commutative. Let's go ahead and take a peek though, just to make sure. No, this is associative. Okay, so I need to double check this as well. It definitely helps when you're using larger equations. Coming from first grade, all of that's not just sitting right in front of my head, you know. So, okay, bye-bye Aquastir. So definitely use those little lights when you need to, those little light bulbs when you need to. And look how fast they are climbing. We got a level up. That is awesome. So we're now 96. That is huge. I'm loving this 3-star bonus. Okay, so that's our first battle done with. Let's head over this way. I think this is the way we're going. Yep, and here we have a Sprite. So let's come on over here and then engage in this battle. All right, so we have a Spike, a Trip Trop. Let's go ahead and start out with some hot snow. All right, you started with a rectangle and added 2 triangles. If the area of the parallelogram is 62 centimeters square, what is the area of each triangle? Okay, so the rectangle here is going to be 6 times 7. So this would be, let me get a pen. So this area here is going to be 42. Area is length times width. Length times width. So 7 times 6 is 42. So here we have 62 centimeters squared. So 62 minus 42, that's going to be 20. So each triangle is going to be 10 centimeters square. There's one triangle here, one triangle there. Woohoo! All right, here comes BF. And some nice damage there. Looks like we should be able to do 1 AoE and then a little bit extra. And let's see what Sprite brings. Forest Hurricane, 1800 points of damage. A little bit weak there. Let's go for Supernova. What is the greatest common factor of 56 and 16? So factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. Factors of 6 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So the 8 is going to be our greatest common factor. And that is going to go right there. Woohoo! All right, up we go, down we come. I was hoping there would be an explanation in that bubble, but there was not. All right, so Sprite is using Forest Hurricane. That hits for 2054 spell power bonus. Way to go. Falling Star Smash is right here. What is the least common multiple of 2 and 6? That should be 2 is the least common multiple. Oh, wait. Oh, that's 6. Okay, so 6 would be the least common multiple. Apologies. I was still thinking of greatest common... So, alright, goodbye Sprite. We got a critical there. Woohoo! And there we are, already moving through another level up from Vegebloom. That is awesome. Alright, let's continue to make our way down over here. One more battle. And there we go, another surprise. Alright, so after this, let's go ahead and start out with our hot snow. And what is the reciprocal of 3/8? So reciprocal is going to be upside down, sort of. So
A reciprocal of a number is its multiplicative inverse. When you multiply them together, they equal 1. Example.
okay, so 3/8 and 8/3. And the reason we're practicing this is because multiplication and division are reciprocal functions, which means when you're dividing and you have fractions, what you do is you flip the fraction over and then multiply. So, and that's kind of getting us just to be able to eyeball that so that it's easy for us to do that. So they're inverse reciprocal, and so that is sort of triggering that so that we have that available and we're able to do that. Alright, so supernova, I don't think this is going to finish everything off for us. Is 29 a rational or irrational number? So let's see what a rational or irrational number is. If the decimal expansion ends or repeats, the number is rational. Okay, so 29 does not have any repeating information, so it is rational. An irrational number repeats on into infinity. Woohoo! This is good review for me, guys. All right, up we go, and then down we are gonna come. And not quite there, but that's okay. I always like to build a little bit of mana. Forest Hurricane, 1907 points of damage. Falling Star Smash, and we should be done after this. Which graph represents the rate of 60 miles per hour? Okay, so this would be 50 miles per hour. Every hour it goes up 50. This is 60. This would be 60, 120, 180, and then 240. So B shows the rate of 60 miles per hour. And down we come. Goodbye, Saplets. Woohoo! Love those bonus stars. All right, let's continue onwards.
Head back, okay?
Yeah, let's head back. That is floor 2, all cleared. How fun this is. All right, make our way all the way over here. I think we got all the pages as well, so I'm loving all of the pages that we're getting. There's some really cool outfits in the Academy shop. Go ahead and take a minute and like and subscribe. It's extremely helpful for growing my channel, helping YouTube's algorithm to get my videos out there, and you'll be aware of when new content is released as well. And you'll also... My videos will pop up in your view and all of that. So thank you in advance. I really appreciate it. And thank you for checking out this video. The likes and the... let's go out of here. Exit to common room. Let's leave. The likes and the comments are so helpful for that YouTube algorithm as well. We will see you next time when we do floor level 3 and we continue to tackle this 6th grade curriculum. Have a good one. Keep on prodigying on. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.